How to fix unfortunately Snapchat has stopped. So the first step is by opening your settings, and then what we're going to do here is to clear the cache of Snapchat. So go to General in iPhone, go to iPhone Storage, look for Snapchat, and then click on Offload App. Once you have clicked on Offload App, click on Offload App once again, and then reinstall the app, and then that should work. However, if it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to delete the app, and then you should reinstall the app once again. For Android users, these steps are like the same. So you just open your settings and then you go to your apps, search for Snapchat and clear the cache. Again, if it still does, if it still doesn't work, then you should delete the app and then reinstall it once again. So that's it. That's how you can fix unfortunately Snapchat has stopped.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.